Hi, myself Divakar. I have completed content writing course in Henry Harvin and I have enrolled in a weekend batch of 8 to 10 a.m. And my instructor is Namita, who took the class very attractive and understandable manner. And I must say it exceeded my expectation. The comprehensive curriculum covered everything from crafting compelling headlines to mastering SEO techniques. The instructors demonstrated a deep understanding of the industry, providing a practical insights and valuable tips throughout the course. The interactive assignments, which allowed me to apply the concept learned, fostering of an hands-on learning experience. The course not only enhanced my writing skill, but also equipped me with the tools to navigate the dynamic world of digital content creation. And as a graphic designer, I highly recommend this course to anyone looking to sharpen the writing abilities and excel in the field of content creation. The only aspect that stands out to me in the sense of community fostered within the course. However, I believe creating a dedicated WhatsApp group for all learners would further enrich our learning experience as a shared space for discussion, collaboration, and a quick exchange of ideas would not only strengthen our bond as a learning community but also provide a real time platform for support and networking. This additional avenue for communication would doubtably elevate the overall learning journey and make it even more interactive and dynamic. And this is my review for the content writing course. Thank you.